Welcome back, guys. Today we are going to see autoscope. Autoscope is the machine which is used for examining the ear, and it comes in this form. Here is where we put the cell from, and let me first pick and you see the cells. And it is add. So this is where the cell is, and this is, I will show you how to use this. So this is the cell, you are fixing it here. Okay, this one is where we can lock it from. So it has the lens. This one is not supposed to be touched. It also has the other lens from the other side. It also has the lens from behind. This one if you want to zoom it, and this one if you want to see it without zooming. So it has the earpiece. This is what we call the earpiece. It has various sizes, if you can see, from adults up to kids. So this one will fix it here. We fix it here, and this one we also fix it here. No, I've already locked it. So this one we fix it, and then okay. So if you turn on this one for long, it will lock. So you have to release it all. This, then you fix this one here, and then you lock it. Now, if you want to see the ear and you want to examine the ear with this, you only rotate here, and you will see the light. So this one will allow you to examine the ear very well. So if you want to zoom, just put it here, and then you see it well. And then if you don't want it, you examine the ear very well. So that is all how we can use it. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.